Prepare your taste buds for a journey as we explore the futuristic kitchen where robots are the master chefs. Imagine your favorite dish, perfectly cooked every time, without waiting. Welcome to the age of the AI chef, where culinary perfection is just a command away. Our story begins in the bustling heart of a futuristic restaurant, where Chef Robo, a slick, chrome-plated robot with lightning-fast reflexes, effortlessly orchestrates a symphony of flavors, aromas, and sizzling sounds. But does this machine have the soul of a chef, you might wonder? Therefore, we dive into how AI algorithms, like 1,000 invisible sous chefs, learn your palate. A personalized dining experience powered by vast databases and intricate machine learning. Remember your grandma's secret recipe? AI chef can recreate it, tweaking the spices just so, based on your taste preferences over time. So what? Imagine a world where your dietary restrictions are no longer restrictions, but invitations for creativity. Meet Maria, a tech-savvy food enthusiast who struggles with severe allergies. With a simple voice command to the AI chef, her meals are not just safe, but delightful explorations of new flavors, as the algorithm searches globally for alternatives she never knew existed. Meanwhile, in the kitchen of tomorrow, Chef Robo uses real-time sensing, adjusting the flame and stirring precisely when needed, ensuring no dish is ever overcooked. But it doesn't end here. This tech marvel even minimizes food waste by intelligently managing ingredients and predicting consumption patterns. And now, the grand finale, an exquisite AI-generated chocolate souffle served with a smile by Robo Matrid. By utilizing AI, we're not just changing how we eat, we're reinventing the dining experience itself. Ready for more tastefully futuristic Robo moments? Follow our channel for savory discoveries and more.